Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to add animation in Wix. First, open your Wix editor and select the element you wish to animate, such as a text box or an image. Look for the animation icon, often a small lightning bolt, in the floating toolbar that appears. Clicking this icon will open the animation panel, where you can choose from various effects to bring your design to life. You can also preview how each animation looks before applying it. To apply a basic animation, simply click on any element on your Wix page, like a button or a section. Then, locate and click the animation icon, which typically looks like a magic wand. This will reveal a selection of preset animation types, including options like fade, slide, or zoom. Select the one that best fits your design, and Wix will automatically apply it to your chosen element, making your site more dynamic. After applying an animation, you can customize it to perfectly match your vision. Click the Customize option within the animation panel to access settings like power, direction, and distance. You can also use sliders to adjust the duration, making the animation play for a specific number of seconds, and set a delay to control when it begins after the page loads. Experiment with these options to create a truly unique effect. For advanced animations, consider using scroll effects, where elements animate as visitors scroll down the page, or hover effects, which trigger when a cursor moves over an element. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals to enhance your digital and physical spaces. While animations add visual appeal, it's crucial to balance them to ensure your site remains fast and user-friendly. Too many heavy animations can impact loading speeds, so always preview and optimize for a smooth experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.